Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Chevrolet Sonic LS. So, this is the only one I've ever seen on our lot. I think we had another one, but it's sold, so I think it was a customer order. Here's your mats. Pull this up to get to your spare tire. This is, I do believe, Chevy's cheapest new car. If it's not Chevy's cheapest, it is one of the cheapest. Oh, come on. There we go. And you lay back down. So this is the entry-level Sonic. You might be able to get a manual, but this one has the 6-speed automatic. Mosaic. Yeah, Mosaic Black Metallic. Very, very nice color, actually. Over jet black and dark titanium. But this is basically a blast from the past. You have drum brakes in the rear with discs up front. But here's the thing. This is an excellent commuter car. 29 miles per gallon combined, 26 city, 34 highway from a turbo 1.4 liter. So another reason it's blast from the past. How many of you guys viewing under 20 years old know about these? But that's not all. So you have roll-up windows and manually adjustable mirrors. But in all honesty, I like it more because of that. There's less to go wrong, it keeps it cheap, and it keeps it very affordable for somebody who's looking to buy their first car. Of course, you can load up one of these. I think you have the RS trim, and it puts it right around the 25 to a little under 30,000, I think, like for a fully loaded one. But in all honesty, this is perfect. This is nicer than my first car, honestly. Touch screen. I mean, there's not a lot of cars out there, even in the used market, under 20 grand that have a touch screen. And honestly, every day's arm day. Look at that. Due to the federal mandate, you still have a backup camera, which is awesome. Business card holder. Alright, so that one doesn't slide. Manual mode. Without further ado, let's go for a drive. That's pretty cool. You got two spots for the power door locks. You have one up here, or one down here, and one there. Basic plastic rubberized steering wheel. Of course, it's not the fastest car in the world, but for 17 grand, I wouldn't expect it to be. The 1.4 liter turbo does provide a good amount of torque, and honestly, it's a fun car. It handles pretty well. The seats are super comfortable. There's not a lot that I'm begging myself I need more than what this car has. And like, as a commuter car, just something to get you from point A to point B, you can't go wrong. It's a brand new car. I've heard they've been pretty dead reliable. I mean, you're not gonna have any issues with electronics in terms of windows. I mean, it is dead perfect. This is what I think cheap cars should be. No fuss, just what a car is a car. All the features you absolutely need, and then that's it. Keep the price low. Stop overcharging for things that you don't need, and just have a car that is a car. That, oh, I'm so glad Chevy continues to make a car like this. I don't really notice that the rear are drum brakes. Of course, all brakes are front bias, which in this case are discs. But I don't notice any difference from the front brakes to the rear brakes. Maybe the fronts have a little bit more bite, but the back's fine. E-brake still holds on a big hill, you know, so there's no issues there at all. Braking performance is actually a lot better than I expected. Good amount of oomph. Of course, because you don't have a center console, you do have armrests that come down. Honestly, this is a superb car. I mean, if I got this as a first car, I'd be in heaven. This is great. And, you know, stickering for under $18,000. Stickering for $18,000. As a brand new car, this is absolutely phenomenal. So I'm trying to think, with no money down, $18,000 car payment's gonna be definitely under $300 a month. Yeah, I mean, with no money down, under $300 a month. I mean, my first job, I could afford that. And I was making like $8.50 an hour. Actually, you know what? Go up and park on the side. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.